This is the story about how the American Percy Spencer discovered the heating effect of microwave in 1945. This is him, in present form. Hi Spencer. So, it was a usual day. Percy went to work just as usual. As an engineer working for the government, he often needs to deal with radar sets. When Percy admiring those radar sets, he found something different from himself. I guess you've already found that too. Yes, he brought a chocolate bar, and it melted. Poor Spencer, he thinks, how could this happen? Confusing Spencer. There it is. The sound of having an idea. Percy then felt the fire of passion, since he can use this discovery to invent the microwave oven.